Please pay attention to what I have to say in this video, or you will get rugged, scammed, or buy a bad project. So please pay attention closely to what I have to say. All right, there's a ton of NFT projects that drop every week. How do you know what to look for? How to identify a good project? I got you guys right here. So a project with real hype is Squiggles, okay? Their engagement on Twitter is insane. It's not botted. In my opinion, it's not botted. Their Discord, look at their reactions on their announcements. 4,000, 8,000, 4,000, 8,000, 5,000, nuts, 7,000. This is what you want to look for in a project. When the engagement and how active the community is towards the project. This, guaranteed, I'll bet any amount, if you mint, you will make profit on this project. Squiggles is a great project. Shout out to Squiggles. Now, a project that was hyped, but with fake engagement. Cityverse. They got 23K on Twitter, 3,000 likes in that tweet, 600 likes, and hold on, 30? Okay, so when you're about to mint a project, wait a minute. Just see how it's going. That's what I always do. So this project came out. They put out their mint is live in their Discord. I knew it was botted, but I just wanted to watch the mint to just make sure. And they had 243,000 members in their Cord at the time. Their mint is live post in the Discord got 4,000 reactions like that. I was like, whoa, okay. That has to be botted or this is sold out. So I went to OpenSea, went to their smart contract just to double check. Only like 120 were minted, but they had 4,000 reactions on their post. Obviously botted. So how do you know if they are botted on Twitter? So, perfect example, when you go through the likes and retweets, look for profiles that are like lucky, win, please pick me, win big, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna find some live right here. Let's see, let's find win big. Here we go, it's starting. The Clovers, Manifestation Wins. And most of these projects are gonna follow a ton of most of these profiles will follow a ton of people and hardly have any followers. See Big Wins Cutie. I think she's talking to me. Lucky me. That's what I'm saying. So that's how you identify if they are botted. Use your common sense. Pay attention. Do not fall for a faked, hyped, botted project. But to summarize that up, hype and engagement is so important. Probably the most important factor to look for in a project. For a flip, sometimes, obviously, if the roadmap utility, everything sucks, the hold might be tough. But for a flip and just to make profit, how to find a good project for that, hype is key. Another factor is super dope art. This project right here, Imaginary Ones, they have been popping off quick. Their art is super, super dope. I don't even know what the roadmap is. They don't even have a roadmap or anything yet. Just the art is so cool. Hype is crazy. Because the art is so cool and unique, they'll sell out just on that. But let me backtrack a little bit. When I say it'll sell out just off that, that's because the art is so cool that the hype is crazy. All leads back to the hype. Art is dope, crazy hype, people want to mint, people want to buy on the secondary, you make profit. The next thing to look for in a project is a doxed team, a good team, a solid team. They've been in the community for a while. They're smart people. They're a famous artist. They're good, you know, all the above. If the team is good, the project will most likely be good. Use Volterra with psychedelics, for example. I own a psychedelics myself. Volterra is an amazing leader and founder of that project. The next thing to look for is a solid roadmap. Now, I don't have a lot of examples in what defines a solid roadmap, but I would say just something that is unique and benefits you if you hold their NFT. Most of the projects that I don't really like are they donate to charity, they'll do this, they'll team up with other people. Like that, I don't like. For roadmaps, it needs to have a meaning to it. Another key factor is trends. Pay attention in the NFT space to what the trending projects are that are doing good, whether it's pixel art, derivatives, Asian projects, all the above. Pay attention to trends. Trends in the NFT space go by quick though, so don't get caught slacking. Lastly, how to find good projects and stuff is an alpha group. There's a lot of good groups. This is not a plug at all, but I am in Rugburn. That's my favorite alpha group that I am in. I get a lot of good calls and plays from them. It's like 1.6 ETH to get in. This is not a plug at all. Literally, I wish I was sponsored by them, but I'm not. So alpha groups are basically groups of people who know what they're doing in NFTs. Well, know what they are doing according to them. And they basically give out their calls. If you have no idea how to do anything that I just said, you could just take the easy way-ish and just get into a solid alpha group. Remember, hype, 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 hype. Real engagement. If you have any questions or any comments, concerns, suggestions, let me know. Hope you guys find and mint some good projects.